This video goes out to all multifamily investors and owners in the city of Long Beach. We are bringing out to market 16 units in Long Beach off Junipero. Major cross streets are going to be Cherry and Anaheim. We're really excited about this property, so if you're in the market, let us know. This property is going to be for sale at $5,250,000. Also, we have a 4-unit coming out that is $1,140,000. That is off Pine. If you're looking to buy a nice little plex, let us know. We have this coming out, and then we also just wrapped up by closing 8 units on Roswell, 1026 Roswell. We closed for $2,380,000. This was a buyer that we represented. He was one of our repeat investors that came through our 1031 exchange network. We closed escrow for him. That is what's going on within Long Beach. We have a few other assets coming to market. So it's really important to know, if you're in the market, if you're looking to buy or sell a multifamily property in Long Beach, feel free to let us know and we will add value. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.